I made $1,000 in 24 hours Shopify dropshipping with no money. Here's how I did it. The very first thing I had to do was find a winning product. A winning product consists of having a wow factor, being a problem solver, and that it can easily go viral. So keeping that in mind, I went on TikTok and searched the hashtag TikTok made me buy it. Make sure to filter your search by the last month in order to avoid saturated products. My goal was to find a product that's already been proven to go viral. Then I made a branded one product Shopify store around that product. And finally, I made organic TikTok videos of that product to make it go viral. This is the product that I found, and it's actually a pretty old product. I've seen people dropshipping this product years back, but it's recently been on an upwards trend on TikTok. So I decided that maybe it was time to give this product a shot. Oh, and by the way guys, I'm giving away $200 to a random person who subscribes and leaves a comment down below. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to give you guys some capital to start dropshipping with. This product is basically a really easy to use screen cleaner. It eliminates the problem of having a dirty phone screen and having to use toilet paper with water to wipe it. I also believe it has a wow factor because the way it's being used is actually quite impressive. I myself would buy this product because it's very cheap and I would probably be using it every now and then. So I can tell why this product is going viral again, because it solves a problem and it's pretty satisfying. Plot twist, I didn't actually sell this product. What I really did was go on Amazon and search for similar products with similar keywords to that product. I really wanted to be original with the product that I used. So use similar keywords from the winning products that you find on TikTok to find your own potential winning product from Amazon. What you'll end up finding is very similar products that serve the same purpose, except it's a different product. I found this product using this method, which serves the exact same purpose. However, this one looked like it's much higher quality and much more satisfying. Using this product instead, I was able to make it go viral for the very first time on TikTok. So after I had the product, the next steps were building the website, ordering the product physically, and then making TikToks with it. So let me show you guys exactly how I did all of this. To build my website, I used a free Shopify theme called Dawn. I spent the least amount of time building the website because honestly, it's the least important part of the whole process. I only spent about 2 hours doing this, and using a very simple website, I was still able to get sales. The only important part about building your store is that you don't make it look like it's all over the place. Make sure that the message you're trying to deliver is clear and straight to the point. If I was you, I'd make sure that the product is actually a winner first before I start worrying too much about the website. There's one question that people are always asking when they're building their store. Should I build a general store or a one product store? I personally build a one product branded store if I wanted to scale a product really quickly. Also, make sure to add tons of visuals and a great product description. As I said before, your entire website may not be as important in the beginning, but your product page definitely is. Your product page is where you're mainly convincing the customer to hit that buy now button. So it's important to have a really clean and convincing product page. Make sure to also import some reviews to your product, because it's important to let people know that you're the sole brand and creator of this product. This way, when you start getting some competition, people will always know who the original creator is. Let's move on to the final step of the three, which is advertising and getting traffic to your product. The method we're using is TikTok dropshipping. This method allows you to freely market your product on the TikTok app without paying any money. The only upfront cost you have to pay is when you order the product to yourself so you can make videos with it. So that's exactly what I did, and then I posted about 3 to 5 times every single day. For this method, it's highly recommended to have a good mic for good audio, a high quality camera phone, and good lighting. The reason for that is because you're competing with other dropshippers, and your only goal is to outperform their TikTok videos by making higher quality TikTok videos yourself. You basically just need to stand out. Now, there's also another untapped method with TikTok dropshipping. This one, however, requires a really low amount of startup capital. This method is called product influencer marketing on TikTok. It's extremely effective because it hides in plain sight. The way it works is you first find an influencer within your product's niche, and then you contact them and offer them a free product if they will use it in one of their TikTok videos. This way, your only cost would be ordering the product from AliExpress to some influencer who will make a TikTok about it, which will therefore result in you getting guaranteed views and visits to your store. And in addition, you'll also get some honest feedback from customers in the product's niche. It's always good to hear what your customers have to say, whether that be negative or positive. So for example, if you're in the fitness niche, go on TikTok and search for fitness gadgets. You're going to find a ton of fitness influencers which you can partner up with. Try not to go for influencers which have too large an audience, because they most likely are going to demand some money up front. What you want to do is find influencers with around 50 to 100,000 followers. This way, they're not too big but not too small, so they're perfect targets to see if they would promote your product in return for you sending them one of your products. However, you're going to need some consistency and dedication, because you have to message many of them every single day, either through their email or their Instagram DMs. Most influencers will agree to a free product if all they have to do is make a simple video about it. But don't lose hope with this method, because the actual method that I used to gain $1,000 in 24 hours with no money is TikTok organic. So I actually didn't spend any money except for ordering the product to myself so I can make videos about it. Because realistically, you can't really expect to build an entire business if you're not even willing to spend a few dollars. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below for a chance to win the $200, which will jumpstart your dropshipping journey.